Hey everyone, welcome back to the NB Wigs YouTube channel. My name is Amber and this is the second style in the 2025 fall collection for NB Wigs. Today I get to introduce you to a very special style. This right here is Donna. Donna is the definition of chic and effortless. She's a short wavy bob that gives you that timeless polished look. But she has soft relaxed waves and that fresh modern twist. She's easy to style, super lightweight, and honestly, she's the type of wig that looks like you spent a lot of time on your hair when you didn't. Like every style in this launch, Donna features NB's SoSoft cap construction. You have that beautiful lace front and full monofilament top for multi-directional parting ability, and you can pull the hair away from the face for that seamless, realistic hairline. These features make it super versatile and you can really take these wigs and make it your own. At just 2.8 ounces, she's feather light and just fantastic for all day comfort. Here are her lengths: 8 inches at the front, 6.5 inches at the crown, 4 inches at the sides, and just 1.75 inches at the nape. She beautifully frames the face while keeping things nice and short and very manageable. Donna is just one of those wigs that fits into any lifestyle. You can wear her to work, out to brunch with friends, or even wear her for an evening out. She's exceptionally chic without trying too hard. And I think that's what makes her a standout style. Now, prior to this video, we showed you a full review of the Amanda wig, which features the same SoSoft cap construction. But just to give you an overview, let's take off Donna and show you what she looks like on the underside. Now, what you have is this amazing extended lace front with that full monofilament top. These hairs are individually hand-tied to make it look like the hair is growing right out of your scalp. You can part it every which way and really have fun making this style all your own. The rest of this cap is open wefted with your velvet ear tabs and your extended velvet nape. You have the adjusters at the nape so you can loosen and tighten Donna and make it fit your head more true to size. Now look at that beautiful silhouette. You have that short, tapered look, kind of stacked, and these very loose corkscrew curls with length at the front. She definitely can be an ear tucker. You can sass her up with a little bit of texturizer, some pomade. Go use some products meant for synthetic fiber and have fun. Okay, let's put Donna back on and do a full 360 view. Now this style to me is just sassy, fun, with a lot of personality. Let's do a full turnaround. Isn't she adorable? But what makes Donna even more meaningful for us here at NB is her name. She was named in honor of a sales consultant and dear friend of our CEO, Alan Eaton, for 25 years. Donna passed away earlier this year, and this is a beautiful way to honor her legacy. She definitely poured love into her work and her friendships. Every time we say her name, it reminds us of the heart and the people behind the NB brand. So if you are looking for that bob that blends timeless elegance with those modern waves, Donna might just be your girl. Next up, I'm gonna show you Molly. She's one of my favorites and I think you guys are gonna love her too. This mid-length beauty is all about those soft flowing waves. And if you love Charlotte, then you are gonna love Molly. If you haven't already, please subscribe and stay tuned. Go follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And also we have an NB Insiders community on Instagram. I highly suggest you go and join. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, we'll see you later.